Alright guys, we're going to run this mini for 15 spots. I'll go live now. Time is 10:31 a.m. 10:31. I put the list up here. I'll copy it. That's the list. Starts with Timmy, ends with Greg. So, we're going to go Timmy to Greg. First time, Jason on top. Second time, Mike on top. I believe it's the top 6 that win. Go over that in a second. First time stamp done at 10:32. 10:32. Third and final time, top 6. We got Greg, Juka, Greg, Timmy. I think that's it. Holy crap, Greg. So, take that, go back here, put our final timestamp in. Check out who won what, 10:32. 10:32. And it is, I believe, first is 6 spots, second is 4, third is 2, fourth, fifth, and sixth is 1 each. 6, 4, 2, 1, 1, 1. So, Greg gets 6 spots, Chuka gets 4, Greg gets 2 more, 1, 1, and 1. So congrats guys, I'll upload this, I will tag you in order the way to pick. And I think I got 9 left in the main. I might make another mini. I don't know. I'm going to take a bunch of people in the main, see how it goes. And if not, I'll maybe make a $1 mini. Thanks, guys. Good luck on the next one.